I have been practicing as a financial advisor for over 13 years now, and I learn something new every other day. And what I've realized over these many years is that the only way you can improve your risk reward ratio, or in simple terms, the only way that you can improve the returns you get from your hard earned money is by keeping yourself updated and learning something every day. And this is the last step of our series on how you can put yourself on the path to financial freedom, that is, learn. Hi, my name is Harshvardhan and I'm the founder of Wealth Cafe, where we share with you ideas to help you make smart money decisions. And the best way you can make your money work hard for you is to constantly learn and put those learnings to work in the form of where you invest your money. The best example I can give you for this is the legendary investor Warren Buffett. He made his first investment when he was of the age of 11 years. And today, at the age of 91, that is 80 years of investing, and the maximum amount of time he spends in a day is reading and learning. When somebody of his wealth of knowledge, somebody of his caliber level of wisdom still spends the majority of his time reading and learning, you can understand how much of time we must be devoting so that we are able to prove ourselves as good investors, as better investors than the people at large.
As a small investor, what do you suggest I read?
Start with your daily newspaper. Pick up any business newspaper, be it the Mint, the Business Line, Economic Times, the Business Standard, any one of these, whichever is available or whichever one you like. And get into the habit of reading this newspaper on a daily basis so that you are updated on the happenings in the financial world. As you start with this, the next thing you can do is pick up any of the financial or investment related magazines. These magazines will basically have detailed articles, well researched articles, which you can read and develop a perspective of where you should invest your money. We've listed down some of the magazine links in the description box below. If you are somebody who loves to consume content on the go and online, then apart from the traditional means, you can look at the long list of personal finance blogs that are available today. We've listed some of them in the description box to help you have a look. And if you are someone who loves to consume video content, then there are a number of courses that are available which will help you understand the world of investing and what decisions you must make when you have to invest your own money. We have our own courses from Wealth Cafe which are designed specifically for certain sets of audiences. Whether you are somebody who is starting off on your first job today and you need to understand what exactly is the salary structure, or you are someone who wants to understand the basics of investing, get an understanding of all the various asset classes, we have a Namaste Money course. Or you're a couple who want to know how you can invest your money together, we have our course Honey Money. Or if you're somebody who just want to understand the basics of taxation or want to understand what all you must take into account when you're buying your first house, we have the course of Money and Makan. You can check out the description of these courses along with the links in the description box below. While investing in a fixed deposit gives you a return of 7 to 8%, investing in equities, you expect a return of 15 to 16%. When you invest in learning, that is something which I have seen over so many years, tends to give you disproportionately higher returns when those learnings are done well and applied well.
While I am excited now to start my journey to financial freedom, but what about someone who finds it all very confusing?
If you find all of this very overwhelming and you find that it is unmanageable for you as an individual, then the simplest advice I can give you is to get hold of a financial advisor. Get hold of someone who can handhold for you. Just like when you want to take a medicine, Google is always not the right answer. You would want to consult a doctor, a professional advice, and follow what he has to say. Similarly, if you are confused and you're not sure that you will be able to manage this on your own, do hire a financial advisor. And when you hire one, do check his experience, do check his background, check his qualifications, and whether he is a SEBI registered investment advisor, and seek professional help. There is nothing wrong at all about seeking professional help when it is the hard earned money that you're talking about, because you have spent a lot of time and efforts in earning that money, and when that money has to be put to work, you need to put equal amount of efforts to ensure that the money is put in the right place. That said, investments is made to look very complex from the outside, but the day you take your first step, you will realize that it is not that very difficult. Of all the various steps that we've listed out in this series from step 1 to step 9, you would realize that these are very basic and very simple steps, and if you're able to take these steps one after another, I would say 80 to 85% of your problems would be solved, and the 10 to 15% which is missing is something that you will develop as you put yourself on this path. As you go through this journey of accumulating the corpus, you will learn that balance 10 to 15%, and eventually it will fructify in you, resulting in being financially free. And you will be financially free the day you don't have to go to work to earn the money to take care of your expenses, and the money comes purely from your investments portfolio, and that is the day you can call yourself financially free. I hope you enjoyed watching this entire series from step 1 to step 9 on how you can put yourself on the path to financial freedom. While we've enjoyed making this series for you, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to address them. And do like, share and subscribe the channel so that you continue to get such fantastic content every Wednesday and Saturday from Wealth Cafe.